Hi there and welcome. We are here in Intercourse, Pennsylvania, and we are at the Kitchen Kettle Village. And I just love this. They left us treats. Oh, I love having treats. But look at this. It's like a whole little village. It's got 40 plus vendors, everything from lodging, food, restaurants. There is, fabric stores and yarn stores and all sorts of things. Now, look how beautiful this room is. It's huge. Oh, I just love a big room. Honestly, it's just so great to arrive after you've been traveling for hours. And a nice big king bed, everything just beautifully appointed. A nice TV. There is lots of parking outside. And then you're gonna see that's the village. We got here after it's closed because we spent a good part of the day in Philadelphia and also in Longworth Gardens, which is so worth the drive. Now, great amenities. Look at this. It's got a microwave, ice bucket, a fridge. It's got a Keurig machine, which is wonderful. And then you're gonna see it's got a really, really nice closet, big closet, and absolutely humongous bathroom with a bathtub. Oh man, I'm gonna hit that today. I'm just so tired. Great amenities, like always. This is what happens when you stay in sort of smallish boutique hotels. You just really get extra service, extra little highlights, and yeah, I'm super stoked to be here. I've never been in Lancaster County in Pennsylvania, and I'm just so grateful we get to experience it. So that's the whole room tour, and I'll tell you more about the village later on. Okay, bye. So we drove a short distance from the Kitchen Kettle Village in Intercourse, Pennsylvania, towards Strasburg, Pennsylvania, where they have a really large museum, Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. And it was just really amazing. They had a lot of engines that have been beautifully restored, and you can go both inside and outside to see, and then afterwards you can go to the Strasburg Railroad Ride.
Now departing on track 2, the Susquehanna. Now departing on track 2.
This is the Strasburg Railroad Ride, and it's basically a 45-minute ride, and it remains on the same track, so you come back on the same track. But it is a steam engine and a passenger ride, and it is quite lovely, so I wanted to show it to you guys so that you can see another great experience that you can do in Lancaster County.
Thanks for joining me in Lancaster County in Pennsylvania. I am Marguerite Abbott, and I am Downshifting Pro.